Hey friends! Welcome back to another exciting adventure! Are you ready to see something totally awesome today? Because I've got a surprise that's out of this world. Because I've got the coolest robot toy ever, right here in this box. And trust me, this isn't just any robot, it's packed with features you won't believe. I can't wait to open it up and show you all the amazing things it can do. I've been waiting for this moment, and I know you have too. So let's get started. Get ready for some serious robot fun. Okay, first, let's take a look at the box, because even the packaging looks super cool. Wow, check out those bright colors. It's like a rainbow exploded with robot awesomeness. And all the buttons on the front. I wonder what they do. This box is full of secrets. There's even a picture of the robot dancing. It looks like it's having a blast. I wonder if it really dances. What do you think? Do you think it's got some awesome moves? All right now, I'm going to carefully open the box. I want to make sure we don't damage anything inside. Remember, if you ever unbox a toy like this, always ask a grown-up to help with scissors. Safety first. We want to have fun, but we also want to be safe. Here we go, opening the box. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Whoa, look at this robot. It's even more amazing than I imagined. It's shiny and silver with big blue eyes. Those eyes look like they're full of energy and a friendly smile. It looks like it's ready to be our friend. Its arms move up and down, which means it can probably give some awesome high fives. And the wheels on its feet look super speedy. I bet this robot can zoom around like a race car. Let's take it out of the box and see what else comes inside. I'm so excited to explore all its features. Ooh, there's a remote control, which means we can control it from far away. Some stickers so we can customize our robot and make it our own, and a little instruction booklet. This will help us learn all the cool things this robot can do. That means we get to decorate our robot and make it zoom around. It's like getting two toys in one. First, let's try putting on some stickers. Let's give this robot some personality. I'll give the robot a lightning bolt on its chest because it's supercharged with fun. And maybe a star on its arm, because this robot is a star in my book. That looks so cool. What stickers would you use if you had this robot? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, now for the super fun part, the remote control. This is where the real magic happens. Let's turn the robot on. Get ready for some action. And press this big red button. I wonder what this does. Whoa, did you see that? That was incredible. The robot's eyes are lighting up, and it's making funny robot sounds. It's like it's coming to life. Let's see if it can move forward. I'm so excited to see this robot in action. Zoom! There it goes, rolling across the floor. It's so fast. Now, let's try the spin button. I wonder if it can do any cool tricks. Haha, it's twirling in circles. That's so funny. But wait, there's more. This robot has even more surprises up its sleeve. This robot can also dance. Get ready to boogie. Watch this. If I press the music button, the robot's about to show off its moves. The robot starts wiggling and grooving to the beat. It's got some serious rhythm. I can't help but dance along. This robot is making me want to move. Can you do the robot dance too? Give it a try. Show me your best robot moves. Let's see what else it can do. I'm sure there are even more hidden features. I'm going to try the talk button. Let's see what this robot has to say. Hello, I am your robot friend. It can even talk. Wow, it talks. This is the best robot toy ever. I'm so impressed with all its features. So what do I think about this robot toy? I love it. It's definitely a winner. It's super fun to play with. You can decorate it your way, making it a truly unique toy. And it even dances and talks. What more could you ask for in a robot toy? If you love robots or just cool toys, I think you would have a blast with this one. It's perfect for kids of all ages. That's all for today's unboxing and review. Thanks for joining me on this awesome robot adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more super cool toy videos. Your support means the world to me. And remember, always have fun and keep exploring. There's always something new and exciting to discover. Bye, friends!